Yeah. Look at you. Tummy time, you holding your head up? Piglet. Say yeah. Yeah. Oh, you going down? Going down? Okay. Yay! Pick your head back up. Oh, he's such a big boy. Yeah. That's the best you've done so far. That's so awesome.